How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can join a TeamSpeak server. Now, as an example, I'm going to be browsing through one of the popular TeamSpeak server out there. So maybe let's go ahead and join this one. Now it's going to look something like this, and depending on the servers that you're joining into, you just want to go ahead and specifically ask for the server's ID or name or something similar like that. So in my case, I'm going to be copying that, and inside the TeamSpeak dashboard, you just want to navigate through the popular servers. You could find and join your favorite communities or create your own. So just simply click on the IP domain or server nickname. I'm going to enter the server name that I've copied. I'm going to click on it. And simply right after, it will then allow me to join to this specific server. As you can then go ahead and see, we have servers. And basically from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.